Normally you see my large format work here, but today I have something different for you. This video is about street photography and 3D prints that creates a unique view. The idea started when I watched the videos of the real Sir Robin and how he films his street photography. I wanted to create a similar view with more stabilization and a good option to shoot also vertical videos. And as you may have seen on some recent videos, I found a solution. I like that you see the lens, and I also like the stabilization a lot. And the way the camera is mounted is kind of low-key, you will see later what I mean. And as a bonus you can change the orientation of your camera without changing the current view. To achieve that I use the Insta360 Go 3. This camera captures horizontal and vertical videos simultaneously, and it has a magnetic mount. I remixed, designed and redesigned lots of different versions, from Leica M to other cameras. For Leica M, I designed lots of different versions that hold the camera in different places to make the rangefinder experience more comfortable. And there are also versions with a thumb grip. My first designs were done with my old printer, but the latest designs that I publish on Maker's World are done with my Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. I printed some models vertically to save support, like the Leica M11 version with the thumb grip. Here you can see I made the original design a little bit more shallow so I can get the camera easier out of the case. You need magnets with a diameter of 10 mm and they have to be 3 mm thick. You put them on the camera so you know how to glue them in. I used a Pattex glue to glue the magnets in. You could also use like a super glue for the magnets as well. This was my first test and it looks good so far. To make it look more decent, I glued some film leftovers over the magnets. See, here I used super glue for example. Isn't that a cool way to reuse medium format film? I think it turned out great. So here again all different versions, but one thing is missing, I'll show you in a second. My redesign also includes the need for felt pads to avoid scratching the Leica body. With the next part of the video I want to support two friends. I was looking for a dust cover for my X1 Carbon, but I didn't find anything satisfying online, so I asked them if they could build me a red one. I love the outcome so much that I persuaded them to open a shop, and that's what they did. You can get now custom sizes there, and they are also working on a cover for the H2D. They are doing one with the EMS, without, whatever you want. As you could see, even the poop chute fits underneath it. Great quality, different colors. What else do you need? I will link them down below. This is the version for the Leica M2. You either can just mount it on the hot shoe or you use it with a thumb grip. For the Leica M11 you can use the M2 version or the universal version, or you use the version that has included the thumb grip for the Leica M11. I created the universal version with two different versions. One in the center and a second one that is mounted to the left. That way you can have the lens of the Insta360 Go in the center of the camera lens or off-center your camera lens. This will also help for some cameras to have a better experience with your viewfinder. Now I show you again how it fits perfectly in. Here I taped mine down with a black tape so I don't have any lights in my darkroom. As you can see, it snaps wonderfully in place, and it's also very easy to remove. You just put your finger into the back and push it out. Zack, and there you have it. Here again on the M2, and you can see it snaps in perfectly and it really holds it in very strongly. I think there is no chance it's falling out by itself. Now a quick tutorial how I edit my videos from the Insta360 Go in the Insta360 Studio app. As you can see, the Insta360 Go captures a circular video, so you can choose later the format. When you open the video file in the Insta360 Studio app, it automatically chooses a vertical view. You can choose between the flow state and FPS stabilization. The flow state will align your video straight with the horizon. Here you have different field of view options. I think this is just for personal preference. I mostly choose the action view or this one. I like to use the color plus option to make the image a little bit more brighter and contrasty. And here you can change the view to vertical. As mentioned before, it does not crop it from the horizontal view. It really creates a new view vertically. Another thing that's really nice with this camera, you can reframe your footage after you captured it. And that's the final result. You will find the link to my Makers World account down below. To support these and upcoming projects, like this video and subscribe to my channel, or support me on Patreon. As a bonus, you will find on Patreon a lot of live streams, behind the scenes videos, stories. All videos are posted here without ads, and my wet plate calculator that shows also how the lights affect your image and how much power you need for a wet plate portrait, with different light modifiers and different distances and different lenses and so on. Before I end this video, I'll show you a channel of Sagi, a friend of mine. He's a street photographer from Israel. I really enjoy his work and recent videos a lot. Hopefully you will see us again soon and hit the streets together. I really enjoy Tel Aviv a lot. I'll send you over one of these 3D prints and I'm looking forward to see what you do with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks a lot to my patrons, and as always, I'll be back, guys.